it. I'm trying to get it out.
So this is your forward reverse here, and then your 1, 2, 3, 4, and it should be right down through here. So you got low range and go. That's back. So when you pull that back, that'll go into high, and then you wanna. That's your middle right there. See, you go back. That's 1.
Okay.
And then what you want to do, you hold that down. If you hold that down, let off the clutch a little bit, and you'll feel it pop into gear. So that's yeah.
Okay, so I want you to watch me do it.
Just you want to kind of, you'll feel it grab when you hold it here.
So I have to hold it.
If you go, you kind of got to go back a little bit to go reverse. It's a little tricky, but yeah.
I was driving it yesterday. Not easy.
Oh, it takes a little. Kind of pull it towards you, and then go forward. Yeah, go forward. It takes a little bit to learn. I mean, there's hundreds of different tractors, and each one is completely different. sometimes depending on the machine, it'll have like 4 hoses coming out.
Okay.
So all those 4 hoses or 2, depending on what.
Okay. And where can we get like tires? Like you guys?
We
You have
have
any used tires?
We have used tires all the way at the back of the lot.
Okay.
Feel free to check all them
Okay.
out. You'll have to just get the tire size. But there's
And would you guys like? What do you think about these tires? Are they good?
oh yeah, they
what's
got
the
pretty
length?
good deal. I mean, I don't know personally like how much longer tread. That's something Matt will be able to tell you about.
Okay.
But yeah, talk to Matt. He'd be able to tell you how much.
Life
how
they
much
have
tread. Yep.
on a farm or whatever.
Yep. Yeah. But like I said, there's plenty of used tires back there, so
Okay.
feel free to check those out back
Alright.
there. So,
Thank you, sir.
hey, any more questions,
very
guys? Or you go okay?
Yeah. I think if you have any questions, we'll.
Yep. Yeah. Just contact Matt, and he'll be able to answer questions for
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Okay.
Thank you. So what do you think?
Oh no, the machine is really nice. We like it, and I think we're gonna get it. Yeah. The engine is perfect. The hydraulics, like it's smooth, it's clean. Weird enough, the air, like the AC is working. This is unreal. Okay. And then so like the wipers, and it's a 4-cylinder engine, which is really good. I mean the power is there. It's 91 horsepower as well, which is even better. So this will work very well as a plow. If you want to plow as a planter as well, you can use it for planting. You can basically this machine can work for you in the farm. It's a value for money. We already can see the value out here. So this is perfect. We're happy, and I think we'll get it. Yeah, this is awesome. Regarding the price, guys, so we're still working out the kinks on the price. We don't have the final price details yet. Once we have that nailed out, we're still negotiating. We're going back and forth. Once we have that, we'll definitely let you guys know. Okay.